XRP at $10,000 price target could be possible, and some fund managers are calling that out. Is it going to happen? Well, stick around to find out more, as the answer to that question lies waiting for you at the end of this video. Just as the SEC case is still ongoing, we've got a lot to talk about. Hello and welcome to Make Money Online. If you've come around looking to know everything there is to know about Ripple Labs, XRP, you're just the luckiest person on the planet and you're in the right place. If you're new here, all you have to do is smash a like on this video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. We'll also be leaving a link in the description section for our viewers to sign up on Binance, the world's renowned cryptocurrency exchange platform, and get a lifetime discount of 5% on trading fees when they sign up via the link in the description. XRP is going to explode in the future. The Great Reset is the ladder for XRP to take the crown of being number one away from Bitcoin and reach the moon. And if the current scenario continues, then it won't be long before XRP reaches 500 by the end of this year. And soon, in the near future, it could reach $10,000 as well. The Great Reset is going to have a great impact on the price of XRP. Experts predict that after the Great Reset, when XRP would have attained mainstream adoption, when everyone would globally accept XRP as a payment currency, at that time it would become extremely scarce. So for that reason, the price of XRP would explode to Bitcoin levels. Irrespective of the fact that it has a great number of total circulating supply compared to Bitcoin. So let's take a quick look at the technical analysis of XRP, because obviously the most important aspect of any asset, whether digital or physical, is its price. As we can see from the charts, even as the global cryptocurrency market capitalization is down to 1.9 trillion, a 12% decrease over the last day, according to CoinMarketCap, XRP still looks bullish, albeit its price continues to show signs of an upcoming uptrend in the forthcoming week. Right now, we're actually looking quite well. And it's no surprise because prior to this most recent downtrend, there's been a massive run in altcoins, Bitcoin, Ethereum across the board. We've got new price discoveries for XRP. Based on the 7-day chart, we could see that this is the fourth day in a row of straight losses for the digital asset, along with a losing streak that's been gaining momentum, such that it's attempting to move below the 25-day moving average. Right now, the price of XRP is between the first and the uppermost resistance levels of the Andrews Pitchfork tool, as a decline below that resistance level would indicate that there are more bears in the market who are looking to stir a downtrend on XRP to its previous price of about 50 cents a few weeks back. Given the recent price dip, I think it's quite an opportunity to buy now, especially for those of you who are yet to buy in. Because if the SEC wins the lawsuit, XRP is going to go way down the line. We're talking about between the price range of 10 to 20 cents. Yet that doesn't mean that the game is over. Since Ripple, the company behind the XRP project, had stated earlier that 70 to 75% of their clients are based outside of the United States. Hence, it suffices to say that such a dip is a temporary one. Of course, XRP would be delisted from all exchanges in the US. There would be a massive sell-off. However, XRP will recover. It just might take a little bit of time for the dust to settle and for people to start seeing the vision like we, the XRP community, already do. If they do win the SEC case, XRP would definitely skyrocket. Overall, XRP is looking really good from a chart perspective. The only complication is we have impending news about XRP that could come out any time, which then renders technical analysis useless. Speaking of news in XRP, there's this other guy, Jimmy Valley, managing director of Valhill Capital, who gives us some insights on the price action of XRP after regulatory clarity is confirmed. So let's see what he has to say here. Personally, I see XRP hitting $10 to $20 if we do get regulatory clarity on XRP. If XRP had followed this same exact pattern as Bitcoin and Ethereum, we would be at about $1.50 upwards $2 per share on XRP, if the SEC case didn't come out. Then he goes on to talk about something along the lines of if the global banking system came into a deal, which he calls the wild card, we could potentially see $10,000 to $35,000 per coin on XRP. I think we could easily see over $100 this bull cycle. I think we could also see $200 to $300 this alt season. If we get past these regulatory issues where we see mass adoption across banks in the Europe and Latin American regions. There is another guy on YouTube, Legal Brief, who is a lawyer, a crypto fan, and a bullish XRP enthusiast at that. He breaks down a couple of the scenarios into the following. Firstly, is that we could settle any time now, we could settle today. also is the fact that we have a new SEC chairman in place who is another ardent supporter of cryptocurrencies. The former chairperson who just exited filed the SEC lawsuit just before he was leaving. Let's take a quick look at what he's talking about here. What he's saying here is that it could reach a settlement before discovery. But discovery means that both sides present their cases to their mutual lawyers, and then they all decide on whether to go to court with that or to reach a settlement based on what the other person knows, at which point they can reach a settlement before that. He said in another video that could take 6 to 9 months for that settlement to actually come to fruition, so we could be in limbo for quite some time. Or like he had said, it could be a quick one. There could be a quick settlement. It might happen today, it might happen tomorrow. When exactly this is going to happen, we really can't say for sure. Now, there is a worst-case scenario, such that if there is a trial, and when there is an appeal, this Ripple versus SEC case could be dragged out to 2023, which is a long time and is definitely not a good one for all of us. I know a lot of you guys probably aren't going to be holding XRP that long if we have to drag this thing out. So hopefully we do reach some sort of settlement in the near future. Just as the other guy from earlier on said, we could have an imminent decision. He said in the next quarter, he'd be surprised if we're still in this regulatory battle with the SEC. That means within the next 3 months, so hopefully we could have some sort of clarity on what happens with XRP. But as of right now, the chart is looking really down. After the Coinbase IPO, finally that's behind us, now we can look at the markets and not worry about crazy volatility because of whatever Coinbase is doing. But fortunately, the markets did survive through that. As we approach these price levels, and we did this exact same structure, more condensed during this time period and more condensed back in 2013. However, the same structure, as it approaches the top, we saw the altcoins start to take off, so let's peek around that corner just as we look at the Ripple XRP chart. As we can see, it has one of the biggest dips today. From all indications, it appears that XRP might be on an upwards trend in the future, with a triangle formation forming and a hammer transcending us into a small bull flight before the actual anticipated bull run and the start of rising green candles. Weeks after popular cryptocurrency exchange platforms based in the US delisted Ripple's native asset, Ripple, following a statement by the former SEC commissioner, pointed out the complaint would invoke multi-billion-dollar damages on innocent third-party customers. Although XRP has had a downtrend until recently, when its price started to reach all-time highs, and continues to soar higher, and even amidst the SEC case that was filed in December, XRP is recognized as a currency in corporations of the general public outside of the US. On April 4th, 2021, XRP had a massive pump that had its price transcend to greater highs and increasing by about 85%. On that day, the pump from a low of 61 cents to a high of 99 cents lasted for less than 3 days, ending on April 6th. XRP's price afterwards took yet another high to break its 3 years record of all-time gains as it grew rapidly to almost $2. XRP currently trades at around $1.20 and is the 4th largest cryptocurrency according to CoinMarketCap's data. But that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider leaving it a like, maybe sharing it with a friend, subscribing to the channel, and turning on post notifications. After watching this video, what do you guys think? Is the price of XRP going to 10,000 or 35,000, just as some fund managers have predicted? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.